Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. It's another sunny day outside, but here in the office we're going to take a closer look at something that I needed desperately in the last couple of weeks. The story behind my gear stick shifter broke. It's an automatic gearbox and it broke, and today I got the new so-called, some call it bow, the gear stick bow shifter or whatever it is. So this is a part that is for Opel/Vauxhall Insignia from 2009 until 2016, and the same part I believe is a good fit for a couple of other models like Opel Zafira, Opel Meriva, and a few more, I guess. So here it is. It is covered with a soft plastic imitating some leather. And yeah, usually this is the second time that I'm changing this part, and right here underneath the release button for the gearbox breaks. So it is the same story here, cheap plastics, and I don't believe it's gonna last a lot. Every year I change it once, and I hope this one is going to last at least a year. So this is something that I already got used to changing, like oil and filters, so I'm not mad at. I cannot find original part, so this part is like 15 euros and it looks well made, but I know this plastic release button is going to break. It's not going to last. I don't know, probably they do it this way for a purpose so they can sell more parts like this one, but I wish it was higher quality, but probably it would be much more expensive, like 60-70 euros. So I don't mind changing it for 15 euros every year or two. So this is it. This is the update that I wanted to give you. You know that I like to share different information. If I'm able to, I can record the installation process, but I believe there's some videos already uploaded. How do you change this part? And yeah, I'll do this probably today. And you don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos about Opel Insignia, other Opels, and other interesting product reviews. Thank you guys for visiting, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.